The noun
numbers. Children, we studied nouns and kinds of nouns, did we not? Now we are going to study how to make plural form of the singular noun. But before that, how about understanding first what is singular and plural noun? All right, so let's go about it. There is a book on the table. Here, a book denotes the number 1. Hence, a book is a singular noun. There are many books on the table. Here, many books denotes number more than 1, say 2, 3, 4, etc. Hence, books is a plural noun. So remember children, singular means 1 and plural means more than 1. Simple, isn't it? Now, let us see how to make plural forms of nouns. First, most of the nouns form their plurals by adding s to the singular. Let me give you an example. Boy, you add an s, becomes boys. Desk becomes desks. Bag, add an s, becomes its plural form, bags. Second, but when the nouns end with an s, ch, sh, and x, then what happens? Well, we should add es. Will you remember that? Not an s, but es. For example, bus. Now here the noun ends with an s. So we added es to make the plural form buses. Match. Here, noun ends with ch. So we added es to make the plural form matches. Now let's see another word which ends with sh. Brush. Here, noun ends with sh. You got that? So we added es to make the plural form brushes. Tax. Here, noun ends with x. So we added es to make the plural form taxes. So the second rule, add es. Third, children, there are many nouns ending with o and we use s or es for the same. It is a bit confusing, I know, but with practice you learn them by and by, I promise. So let's see some examples. Piano, add an s, becomes pianos. Potato, add es, becomes potatoes. Mango, add es, becomes mangoes. Now you must have seen that in the first word we have added s and second and third words we have added es to make the plural form. Got that? All right, so let's move on. Fourth, children, there are certain nouns which end with a y. While making plural forms, a consonant plus y changes into ies. For example, see the word baby. In this word, b is consonant and y comes after it. So we should add ies instead of y to change it into plural form babies. But in certain nouns, vowels come before y. You remember what are vowels, by the way? Well, the alphabets A, E, I, O, U are called as vowels. Let us see some words now. Boy. Here, O is a vowel before Y. Hence, to change it into plural, what are we going to do? Yes, we use only S. So the plural of boy is boys. Similarly, plural of key is keys. Did you understand? Good. Fifth. Now children, there are also certain nouns which end with F or FE. And to make it into plural form, what we do is that we remove F or FE and then add VES. For example, the word knife. Here, we remove FE and add VES to change it into knives. Another word, leaf. Here, we remove F and add VES to change it to leaves. Sixth, some nouns are spoken as plurals and also written using S at the end, but these are actually in singular form. Confusing, but yet again, by and by with practice, you'll get the words. Now, which are these words? A little patience, I'm just telling you. Well, words like economics, physics. Now, physics is one subject but spoken as plural and ends with an S. Got that? Good. Seventh, there are certain nouns which are unique. It means that they are always used in singular form, no matter what. Now, before these unique nouns, we use the. For example, the sun, the moon, the earth. 8. There are certain nouns which are irregular nouns. That is, when you change the singular form of irregular nouns to a plural, the entire spelling changes. For example, man changes to men, person to people, child changes to children. 9th, children, there are even certain nouns which remain as it is. That is, they remain the same while changing into plural form. For example, one deer, many deer. So the deer remains the same. You don't have to add an S or ES or remember anything else. Deer remains deer. Another example, one sheep, many sheep. 10th, there are certain compound nouns like son-in-law. When we change these compound nouns to plural forms, we add S to them. For example, son-in-law changes to sons-in-law. Passer-by changes to passers-by. Now do remember that in the above words, S is added to the first part of the word, not the second. But now here, see another example. Armchair changes to armchairs. Here, S is added to the second part of the word. Isn't it amazing, children, to study the number nouns? There are so many things you can do to make them plural. There are some compound nouns which are turned a double plural. Singular manservant becomes plural men servants. Woman servant, women servants. Lord Justice, Lords Justices. Knight Templar, Knights Templars. Some typical examples of plurals: foreign plurals or typical plurals, singular and plural, alumnus, alumni, appendix, appendices, axis, axes, bacterium, bacteria, medium, media, radius, radii, focus, foci or focuses, vertex, vertices. Nouns having different meaning in different numbers. Singular, plural. Advice meaning counsel, advices meaning information. Air meaning wind, airs meaning manners. Force meaning power, forces meaning army. Wood meaning timber, woods meaning forest. Nouns with two plural forms of different meanings. Singular, brother. Plural, brothers, means son of same parents, brethren, members of the same society. Singular, cloth. Plural, cloths, meaning pieces of cloth, or clothes, meaning garments. Noun with one meaning in the singular but two in the plural. Singular, arm, meaning part of the body. Plural, arms, meaning 1. Parts of the body, 2. Weapons. Singular, custom, meaning habit. Plural, customs, meaning 1. Habits, 2. Revenue duties. Singular, part, meaning portion. Plural, parts, meaning 1. Portions, 2. Skill. Some nouns are always plural. A. Names of such instruments having two parts or pair nouns. Bellows, scissors, glasses or spectacles. Your new glasses or spectacles are very nice. B. Names of certain articles of dress. Trousers, drawers, breeches, shorts. These shorts are nice. These trousers need cleaning. C. Name of diseases. Measles, mumps. But smallpox is a singular noun. Smallpox has broken out there. Subscribe to my channel. Click on bell icon to get notification about new video.